Iran's luxurious Persian carpets have a rich cultural history and date back more than 2,000 years. Many consider them to be the finest in the world. But the carpet makers say the industry is unraveling.
There are many problems we face. We cannot ship our products because our shipping companies have been sanctioned. The banks are also sanctioned, so we cannot receive money nor send it.
Iran is once again under strict economic sanctions from the United States, cutting it off from buying dollars, international trade, loans, and more. It's not the first time the U.S. has sanctioned the Islamic Republic since the Iranian Revolution in 1979. But in 2015, the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, or JCPOA, signed by Iran, the U.S., and other world powers, dropped the sanctions and allowed Iran to trade in exchange for restrictions on its nuclear plans. Carpet sales grew rapidly, becoming Iran's largest non-oil export. In March, Iran's Customs Administration reported annual carpet exports valued at $424 million. The U.S. made up 30% of that. But Trump backed out of the deal in May and reimposed the sanctions, including stopping the sale of Persian carpets to the U.S.
I would sell millions of dollars worth of carpets to the United States, but the fluctuation in Iran's currency has negatively impacted that. Now, Afghanistan and Turkey have overtaken our market share. Countries like India and Pakistan are also forging our work and taking our market.
Raw materials to make carpets are now also more expensive, increasing production costs. Hamid Bitarfan says only 5% of the entire carpet manufacturing industry in Iran is working at full capacity.
I specialize in the machine-made carpets. I can say that 70 to 80% of the manufacturers of this type of carpet have shut down.
Tehran filed a complaint with the UN's highest court in July, accusing the U.S. of economic aggression. But the World Court doesn't have the power to enforce its rulings, and new U.S. sanctions targeting Iran's banking and oil sectors could jeopardize the future of many of Iran's last Persian carpet makers. Sarah Balter, TRT World.